Port and terminal mooring operations. Mastering secure vessel mooring is paramount for maritime safety and efficiency. This presentation explores robust mooring operations, detailing the risks of improper procedures and the benefits of adhering to best practices. Our goal is to ensure the safety of personnel, vessels, and infrastructure, while optimizing operational excellence. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. This course trains you in safe, efficient port and terminal mooring. Learn key equipment, vessel securing techniques, and essential safety practices. Target audience. Ideal for port and terminal professionals involved in mooring, including harbor masters, pilots, tug and mooring masters, and line handlers. Also suitable for port authorities and maritime staff seeking safe mooring expertise. Accreditations. Conducted in accordance with Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarers MCA Guidelines on Safe Mooring Practices OCMF Mooring Equipment Guidelines. Understanding port operations and terminology. Terminal layout components. Berth configurations and dock structures. Bollard placement and load capacity zones. Access routes for personnel and equipment. Emergency egress pathways. Standard mooring terminology. Head lines, spring lines, breast lines. Fair leads, bits, and bollard systems. I-splices and line specifications. SWL, safe working load, ratings. Vessel approach. Communication established with dock crew. Line deployment. Heaving lines sent ashore sequentially. Securing operations. Lines placed on bollards per mooring plan. Final adjustment. Tension verified, vessel position confirmed. Critical safety hazards and precautions. Slips, trips and falls. Primary risk, wet surfaces around bollards. Maintain clear walkways free of obstacles. Wear slip-resistant footwear. Stay alert near bollard snapback zones. Line handling protocols. Never stand in bite or snapback zone. Approach lines from safe angles only. Secure eye on bollard from outside radius. Use proper lifting techniques for heavy lines. Bollard load management. Critical, avoid multiple lines per bollard. Respect SWL ratings on all equipment. Monitor for overload conditions. Use mechanical assistance when needed. Boat operations, hold mooring lines correctly to prevent capsizing. Excessive load can overturn small vessels, release immediately if load becomes unmanageable. Operational readiness and emergency response. Recovery plan. Pre-positioned rescue equipment and trained responders on standby. Excessive load action. Immediate release procedures when line tension exceeds safe limits. Capsizing prevention. Boat crews trained to recognize and respond to overload conditions. Environmental controls. Adequate lighting coverage in all mooring zones. Properly shielded light housing to prevent glare. Clear access and egress routes maintained. Vehicle and crane movement protocols enforced. Safety is not negotiable. Every mooring operation requires proper planning, trained personnel, and strict adherence to established protocols. Course curriculum. Introduction to port, terminal, and mooring operations. Overview of port and terminal layout. Terminology used in port and terminal mooring operations. Understanding types of mooring operations. Mooring layout and limitations of ship mooring arrangements. Hazards and safety precautions in mooring operations. Hazards such as slips, trips, and falls, especially around bollards. Safety precautions when handling mooring lines. Actions when the eye of the line is placed on the bollard. Precautions when accepting mooring lines from ships. Correct way of holding mooring lines in boats. Risks of placing multiple lines on the same bollard. Injuries from lifting heavy mooring lines. Mechanical pulling of mooring lines. Environmental and operational considerations. Access and egress to working areas. Adequate lighting and proper design of light housing in mooring areas. Management of vehicle or crane movements in the area. Emergency preparedness and response. Emergency recovery plan and equipment. Actions for excessive load during mooring line handling. Capsizing risks of mooring boats due to excessive load.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.